Watch me how to audit an ad account. In this video, I am going to show you a live ad account where a new client has come and he wants me to audit their ad account and what's happened and what previous agency have done. So let's jump into the screen. And for those who are new to my channel, my name is Divyang and I am running Facebook ads from 2020 and able to generate more than 80 million in revenue for my clients. Right. Guys who were running ads previously, they were from very big agency. You must have seen their ads and they have a very good name in the industry. I'll just show you what they are doing. You will be surprised to see a so-called good agencies are doing in the ad accounts and making it the brand suffers. Let's jump into the screen. So we are in this ad account. It's a very good brand selling good stuff in offline market and online market, but they were facing the issue of inconsistency, and sometimes their ads work, sometimes their ads don't work. Their agencies are telling they got ad fatigue. Ad fatigue is the biggest issue an agency or a media buyer tell you. So the agencies tell you this very ad is fatigue, right? This is the main excuse an agency tell you. They have not spent very lot of amount of money and they are running ads from November last year only. We are in 2025, March to 2025. Today is 18th March, right? So ad fatigue never happens so early. I have clients who are running ads from 2021, same ads that is continuously been running and it is producing results, and it's very normal, right? This product is also very normal. It's not a very niche product or very few specific people. Anybody can use that product, right? I'll just show you what they are doing. How brand suffers because of bad media buyers and bad agencies. So they are running, let's see, for last 30 days. They have good data. It's not that their products are not selling, their products are selling, but how a bad structure impact the brand. See. So they are running off types of funnels, right? They are old age thing. To be very honest, I haven't run any kind of these ads, and I've seen agencies running still these type of structure, and I don't know why they are not updating their knowledge and what they are not doing. And just for this ad set, let's see, they are running bottom of the funnel website visitors 180 days. You can say it's a very bottom of funnel website visit 10 days. It's fine. So I'll just show you what audience they are using for bottom of the funnel. See, website visitors 10 days, purchase 10 days. So they are targeting people who have visited their website in 10 days. What they have not done is untick this, use as a suggestion. This is advantage plus audiences, and when you tick this ad set automatically reaching out to the new people. This ad set is not targeting website 10 days, right? Purchase 10 days, and they have one video in this. So the whole concept of running at bottom of the funnel ad set get demolished. First point. Second is another bottom of the funnel. So now they have excluded all these states to filter out something, right? What they have done is total health stocks 75% views. So people who have watched their a specific video, right, 75% in 10 days and purchase 10 days. Use as a suggestion. This ad set also become ad set that is reaching out to the new people. This is as a suggestion. This is an advantage plus audiences. Facebook will never show your ads to these people not more than 1 or 2 days. They automatically start showing it to the new people. That single ad is similar to the ad that they are using in the above ad set. So these two ad set, if they have combined this, like let's suppose website 30 days and people who have engaged with Instagram or Facebook and combined that single ad into one ad set. That's just stacking up the custom audiences. They could have combined this and saved the money by spending on two different things. CBO interest targeting they are using. It's fine, right? Let's see. They have got some good results over here. The cost of acquisition is little bit lower in this side, but Facebook is not spending the money because they are creating new ad set again and again in very short term. See, fourth one, middle of the funnel look like 1%. That means they are targeting people who have interacted with your business. They might have visited your website but didn't check out, right? So they are in the middle of the funnel. That makes sense. But the audience they are using, I'll just show you what audience they are using. They are using lookalike 1% abandoned carts. So what we are asking from Facebook is to give me a custom audience of lookalike people who have added to the cart in 180 days, right? And give me a lookalike of that. Why would you do that? You must be thinking that people. So when we are creating a lookalike of this people who have abandoned the carts in 180 days, that means people who have not interested in our product, they have just added to the cart, and we are asking, give me similar type of people. First of all, this is a poor choice of lookalike. Second part, you are not spending money on middle of the funnel. You are spending money on the new people, right? And they have only single ads. I don't know why they are using it. It could have been like simple ad set, right? You don't even need to spend the money on this because you are reaching out to the new people in this CBO interest targeting, right? But you don't need that. They must have thought that it is a middle of the funnel. It is not a middle of the funnel, it is top of the funnel. You are reaching out to the new cold people. Again, top of the funnel. If you see 1 2 3 4 4 5, because it is top of funnel, these all ads, these all campaigns are reaching out to the new people, which they are not even testing the ads. And I'm talking about a very good agency, but what they are doing is they are reaching out to the new people in the bottom of the funnel, middle of the funnel, obviously top of the funnel, and they are using CBO in one, ABO in one, ABO in one, right? Let me just see what they are doing. Only one ad. They are running the same ad in all these campaigns. You are just wasting money. Even if you created a one campaign with that single ad only, with one ad set open targeting and one for interest, all that money that you have spent till now is getting wasted. But if you have done that thing by creating a single campaign, you have put the budget and put the money in the right direction, in the correct way. So they are targeting different interest with the same ad with a different audiences. Retail targeting, people are doing so much mistakes, and this breaks my heart because they are like stacking up the all the interest, also match Facebook payment users, shopping, online shopping. These are like they are stacking up the interest and refining it further. More you refine your interest, more you put some limitations in the ad set, Facebook will increase the cost of acquisition. You might get some result, but it will never work. See, top of the funnel, they are running ASC campaign also, bid caps, and all these stuff they are running with the same ad. They're not. This ad account lacks a proper structure. The ad that is been running for almost 2 3 months, it is fine ad, but when you spend money like this, you will never have a stable ad account. You will never have a good return on investment. You will always be in this mess that why my ads are performing when they perform, but you are wasting money on the campaigns that are not working. So whatever the amount of sales you have generated, it neutralizes when you are spending, you are wasting money on different things. If I start working on this ad account, I will create only one campaign, right, and work towards that and do all the interest testing in one campaign, because I want one campaign to be the best in the ad account, because we are going to scale it. We want to test new products also. This is happening from like, I will show you maximum what is happening. They are continuously doing the same thing. If you think that somehow your ad set are working, but you duplicate it with a bigger budget, it will perform, it will never perform. If you duplicate it with a different interest, if you duplicate it with multiple interest, like 4 to 5 interests you have chosen, you have created different ad set to see which interest is working. Some of the interest will perform, some of the interest will not perform, but the money that you have wasted in checking that which is not performing, it is neutralizing the return on investment. So I please upgrade your knowledge of Facebook ads. Please stop running these bottom of funnel, top of funnel, middle of the funnel. Even if you're running, untick that use as a suggestion in the audiences. But please stop doing this bottom of the funnel, top of the funnel shit. This used to work. It doesn't work anymore. You need just 1 or 2 campaign, maximum 3 campaign, if you want to test something also. I hope this video makes sense to you. If you're doing these type of mistakes, please stop doing this. You are disturbing the brands, and you are not letting them grow. I hope this video makes sense to you.